Hi man, this is Lawrence. Can you help me with my budgie? He's kind of sick. I don't know which one of these two. This one is like he's not moving in his place since the morning. Yeah, he's like not too much energetic. See, about this one, too much energy. It's like moving around the cage like that. You see that? Then this one, he's not really moving, dude. I can't touch him. I don't know what's the problem, guys. Can you help me? I don't want to lose my budgies. I hope you can help me, guys. And just comment down the treatment or some cure for my budgie. I don't want my budgie die. Thanks for watching. Just comment down below. This is Rance. Bye.